Have you ever wondered how the Indian stock market works? Let's lift the veil on this intriguing world. The Indian stock market, a bustling virtual marketplace, is where buyers and sellers congregate to trade shares of publicly listed companies. The two major players that facilitate this grand dance are the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, fondly known as NSE. Understanding the basics of the Indian stock market is essential for anyone interested in investing. So, how does the stock market operate? Well, let's break it down. The stock market operates through a network of exchanges. You might have heard of the Bombay Stock Exchange or the National Stock Exchange. Now, you can't just walk into these exchanges and start trading. That's where stockbrokers come in. They act as intermediaries between you, the investor, and the stock exchange. They carry out the transactions on your behalf. Now, the price of the shares, that's determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. And if more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. The stock market operates on all weekdays between 9:15 in the morning and 3:30 in the afternoon, Indian Standard Time. The stock market is a dynamic environment where prices fluctuate based on various factors. Why is the stock market important, you ask? Well, consider it as the lifeblood of an economy. It's where businesses raise capital to grow, innovate, and create jobs. For individuals, it's a platform to invest their savings and build wealth over time. Moreover, it's like the country's financial thermometer, reflecting the health of the economy. When the stock market thrives, it generally indicates a strong, vibrant economy. The stock market plays a crucial role in the growth and stability of the economy. To sum up, we've navigated the basics of the Indian stock market, understood its operations, and grasped its significance. With this basic understanding, you are now ready to delve deeper into the fascinating world of investing.